Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you watch my videos, you know I put the windshield on the Trail 125. I absolutely love this windshield. This thing makes a big difference on the bike. Well, I liked it, so I thought I want to try one here. Basically, the thing I liked the most was this bar because it gives me a place to put my GPS up here instead of the GPS being down here. It's a lot better seeing it up here more in front of you instead of looking down all the time, having to look down. This should work nicely, but mounts real easy. It just mounts here. It's kind of hard to see because I have the Rocky Mountain ATVMC plate mounted here with my lighter plug adapter, but bolts on right here. These brackets come out, these bars stick in it. It's just real simple. I mean, anybody can bolt it on. Nothing to it, but just some Allen wrenches and a socket to take handlebars off, and then you get the windshield here, which bolts on 2 Allen bolts on each side, and you're good to go. And you can tilt it where you want. This is a smoked one. They also offer this in clear and a real dark smoke, which is pretty much black. Now this piece of foam was not with it. I added that just to try it. I haven't even rode the bike yet with this, but I figured the air is going to come up, hit this headlight shroud, and come up under it. So I put this piece of foam, which actually has perforations in it, so it might let some air through, but not much. And I cut it the contour of the windshield here. It's setting out of the windshield. Bent down here, and then I just zip tied it right there on each side for now. This is a trial. But the windshield, we're going to try it out too. But they don't look too bad. It's not as bad as I figured it would. But I do have a link in the description if you guys want one. This is the best deal you're going to find on the windshield. It's pretty much identical to the Zeta, only like half the price. Less than half the price of a Zeta. But we got it mounted up, just super easy. It's a quick install. Like I said, this is the light smoke tint. They have the clear and the dark. We're going to take this thing out and ride it, see how it works out, but I think I'm really going to like it. Okay, let's get on the road here and get going. So right off the bat, doing 45, I can tell a difference. There's virtually no wind really at all on my chest, neck area, up under my helmet. All feels really good. I can feel a little bit probably hitting the top of my helmet, but you can feel the air coming off of here. Yeah, I can feel it right here. So basically it's coming out off of here and just barely getting over the top of my visor. The wind. If you put your hand up here when you get a windshield, you can feel the air and you can feel where it goes. So I threw up over my helmet, so that's good. And I could actually probably tilt this a little bit steeper angle, kind of shoot the air up more higher. But you know, it not only pushes the air up when the wind hits it, it also shoots it out both sides, like so. So it's bypassing you on the sides. I mean, of course you can feel it on my hands. It's not going to keep all the wind off there, but I got these hand guards here, which makes a lot of difference on that. But this is a huge difference on how much air is hitting me. Actually works really good. Turn my signal off here. And I'm sure this, I can feel a little bit of air coming through those holes, lightly coming through those holes. So this don't stop all the air through here, but it makes a huge difference. Probably you don't need to stop all the air. It's just kind of lightly coming through, which kind of would probably work like a defroster if the shield got fogged. That little air blowing right up on that shield would probably defrost the fog off there. Pretty cool. That was just a trial thing, and I didn't try it without it. Now, I did have a windshield on there before, which was the T-Rex Racing. And it was okay. I liked it, but I didn't like it enough to leave it on there. For one thing, it did not have this mount. This is the best mount for me. I like this mount system better than any of the windshields I've seen. With this bar that comes up, curves around and down. This is a 22 millimeter bar. So if you mount your GPS like I did here, you get the 22 millimeter mounts right on here. and I'll post a link below. It's 25 bucks, I think, for that mount, and it's made out of aluminum. And then you take your Garmin mount, bolts right to it, perfect fit, and then just clip it on and off when you want, and you got a super solid mount setup right there. But like I said, I'll post a link to this windshield and that mount. But for the price, I think this thing was like around 70 bucks, 69, 70 bucks at the time of this video. May go up or down depending, but that's a good deal. Like I say, it's way less than half the price of a SENA windshield, but a vast difference in how smooth it feels riding. Even just the wind not blowing on my head and making my head move around, and it feels so much better. Especially, you ride with a DSport helmet like I got with a visor, and that catches wind. But this is just going over the top of that visor. And if you're a shorter person than me, it actually would be better. I mean, taller rider, you can tilt this windshield and just loosen a couple Allen bolts, and you can tilt it forward and backward to get more rake on it, or more if you wanted it steeper, either way. But I definitely love the place for the GPS up there. That is so much better. I could probably tilt my GPS down a little bit. It's probably a little bit high. Needs to be about right here where I'm straight on. But that's why I'm doing this trial run, so I know. So I'll tilt it down a little bit, which will make it a little better. But the cool part about this is, too, guys, if you buy this and you didn't want the windshield, you can still keep this bar on here and take the windshield off and just have the bar for your GPS mount right there. I mean, you could use it without the windshield. So I'm going to give it a pretty good try for a while and see how I like it. But I think it's going to really, really be a good addition to the 300L. Of course, if you got a rally, I believe you already got a windshield on there. But if you don't have a rally, this kind of makes it somewhat more like a rally. And to me, it don't look that bad. I mean, no windshield looks absolutely amazing on the bike. I think this windshield does look better on the Trail 125. It's like a perfect thing for it. But on the 300, yeah, it don't look bad at all. Just gonna run uptown, get on this road where I can do 55. Get some more wind blowing here. Yeah, this is a huge difference. I don't feel no buffeting on my helmet. If it is, it's very, very light. I do like that it's not near the wind in my face or on my neck, chest area. Actually really cool. And as I said, this is like the easiest thing to mount there is. There's nothing to it. Just bolts to where your handlebars clamp on. You don't use your top handlebar clamps. You just use this bracket is your top handlebar clamps on each side, and just the same bolts. I'm using the factory bolts on here, and just works perfectly. It comes with all the hardware for the other stuff, of course, and they're stainless bolts, so you don't have to worry about rust. And the lens, as far as seeing, you may not be able to because my camera is lower, but I'm looking right over the top of that windshield, no problem. Actually, I mean, the top of the windshield, I could have it up here and still be able to see over it, so easy to look over the windshield, not interfere for on or off road. And hopefully now, with that on there, it should deflect a lot of the bugs up over here, even some rainwater. Now, it's not going to be like my Honda Goldwing. If you're going 60, 65 mile an hour on a Goldwing, you hardly get wet much because the windshield's big and it moves a lot of that rain out of your way. But on this one, you still get wet. but it's bound to help some. I kind of like the foam. I mean, it's not, you know, can't say it's 100% the best looking, but best looks are practical. It actually, so far, seemed to be working pretty good. That's just a piece of foam that I had. It's actually padding out of a jacket, the back padding out of a jacket. So it's kind of dense foam. It's definitely really good up around 45. 55, I noticed a little more wind. But like I said, it's still not like it's moving my head around. My helmet is solid, not buffeting from side to side and doing no jerky stuff, nothing like that. I got good image stabilization on this camera, so when I jerk my head around, you probably don't notice me moving much. But this is awesome. Cool. But there you guys go. That is the little windshield I put on the Honda CRF300L, and as I said, I'll put the Amazon link below. It's a really good price for this. You won't beat the deal for the quality and for this type shield for a Honda CRF300L. I also put that mount that the GPS mount goes to, and it's just a piece of aluminum that clamps on a 22 millimeter. When you go to that link, make sure you select 22 millimeter for the mount, and you'll have the right one. But thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Catch you in the next video. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Right on.